Hello and welcome to Kanen Coffee Espresso Machines. Today we're testing this beautiful DeLonghi EC68 espresso machine. We replaced the pump due to low flow coming out of the group head and making coffee. So let's go ahead and test the machine. I think we need to program the shot potentially to make it a little longer. Otherwise, you can see we get a nice flow of espresso coming out. Good crema. So thank you for pairing with Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to our channel, and if you like this video, please hit the like button. Thank you.